Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Seher. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. Thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. You are here for a sunscreen review and that is what you will get. So in today's video I am reviewing this particular sunscreen right here. This is Wishcare's Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen with Cica and oat extracts. And if you want to know more details about this particular product, then stay right in and let's get into the video, shall we? We are talking about a very popular, a very hyped sunscreen from Wishcare. I have used this for the longest and this is my second tube of it. I finished one already and this is my second and I am halfway through. I don't know if you guys can see, but I am halfway through and this has got SPF 50 PA triple plus and this claims to mattify and remove oil, although it doesn't strip down your natural oils. So let's get into the video and talk about what all the ingredients you get. So we get oats extract, zinc extract, we get niacinamide, cica and ceramides in it. So this is a very lightweight formula. It almost feels like water when you apply on your skin. It gets absorbed very easily and stays put for a very long time. You do need to reapply 3 to 4 hours if you are inside your house and 2 to 3 hours when you are outside, and anytime AOA index is more than 2 or 3 you need to apply sunscreen, whether it's raining, whether it's snowing, whether it's cloudy, any other situation you need to apply the sunscreen. So what I really like about this is that it is matte and it is not drying on my face kind of matte. It has got very beautiful ingredients. It's got broad spectrum filters in it which give maximum UVA and UV protection. Even though we are approaching the winter months, the weather over here is pretty humid in South India and you do need something that is mattifying more than anything, and the sunscreen is really good.
Okay, my audio died and that's why I had to refilm the entire video. But you can see how easily this is getting absorbed. Although it says matte finish, but I can still find a little bit of nice dewiness. I think that's because of my thick moisturizer. This is really suitable for all skin types. But obviously in winters, you will have to apply a thick moisturizer and then apply this. Oily skin types can definitely love this and enjoy this. It's that good. Yet it has hydrating particles in it like ceramides and everything, so you'll absolutely love this. It's a total gem.
You need UVA protection to kind of reverse skin aging, and UVB you need to have those filters for any skin damage, redness, rashes and anything that can happen because of being in sun for a long time. And broad spectrum, meaning both the UVA and UVB filters will help combine together and help in preventing skin cancer or any other diseases. So all of these are there in this particular sunscreen. Particular sunscreen has both physical and chemical filters. In chemical filters, it's got avibenzone which protects you from UVA, octinoxate which protects from UVB filters, and mineral filters we have zinc oxide which is clearly mentioned. Also got titanium dioxide. These are some of the popular filters that they have included, but apart from that there are many other filters. You can check out the brand's website or the product backside to get more details on the filter. Apart from this, there are a lot of skin friendly ingredients. This is a non-comedogenic sunscreen and it is good for people who have acne prone skin as well, because it won't clog your pores. Even though it's a mineral sunscreen, it won't clog your pores, and it's got calming ingredients in it and cica वो सब है, तो it is very calming for the skin as well. So overall I really love this sunscreen. This sunscreen is priced at 499 rupees, but you can easily get it at 350-380 rupees during a good discount, and discounts are always there. And Wishcare also runs a lot of discounts on their page. This is available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa and Wishcare's website, so you can definitely check out from there. And you're getting 50 grams worth of quantity, which is decent. I absolutely love it. The packaging is very sleek and it's very travel friendly, so you can snuck it in your purse purse as well, and this wouldn't take up a lot of space. And the packaging is such that you will definitely find it in your purse, even if it is in the most corner part of it, you will definitely find it. And yeah, the shelf life of it is 24 months, I think, which is pretty standard. And yeah, this is an oil balance active serum infused sunscreen, so it's got serum like texture, which you already saw from my application. I have pretty much covered every topic on this particular sunscreen, but still, in case if you have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section below. And let me know which other products you want me to try. I will try it out for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and keep smiling.